Yes, guys, coconut get shell out. Whoa, what a skill. Whoa, look at that. Oh my God. Yes, guys, this is how we deal with our coconut. I'm going away here now. I eat that. Coconut ox out, I get shell out. Coconut dry, see guys. I love a dry bone coconut. Yes, guys, so my coconut done cut up and things, so I'm going to go ahead now, wash it and blend it, yeah, and juice it out in my pot for my plantain porridge. So these are my healthy plantain over here. Yeah, man, I'm going to cut them up. I don't cut them up as yet, and this is my almond. I'm going to use some almond in my plantain porridge. Yeah, my plantain porridge no normal. When this done it nice. So here we stay along with me guys for this one. So I have a piece of cinnamon stick in my pot there. I'm gonna go ahead now and pour my coconut milk. Yeah. So we do it, guys. Straight in the pot. Just finish blend. Straight in the pot. So I'm going to light the stove now and let that cinnamon stick release out all of that flavor into my coconut milk before I go so booms and put in my plantain. So yeah, man, I eat that, guys. So plantain has finished, cut up, peel, wash and everything. So we're going over to the blender now. So come along, guys. So I have some coconut milk that I'm going to use to blend my plantain. Yeah, this is the rest of the coconut milk, guys. Some in the pot of boil. You don't know to receive the plantain. So we use the rest of the coconut milk to blend our plantain. So if we porridge need any more water, we just use some regular water in it. But for now, we just want the flavor lock in and everything, you know. So we're going to blend up this now and toss it out in the pot, dash it out in the pot. Yeah. So yes, guys, after the cinnamon stick has released that flavor in the pot, we finish blend our plantain. So we're going to add it to the pot. So I have some oats over here that are soaked, and I have my almond. So I'm going to blend both of these guys together, yeah? So come along, we're going over to the blender, guys. Tossing in my almond. I'm gonna also put in my oats. Then I am going to blend both of them bad boy here. Nice up the porridge and thing. So this is what our plantain look like. Yeah. What a bubble. So you want me now. I got some booms and put in our almond and oats that I have just blend. Add all of that nice mixture to our plantain, and we are going to mix. Yeah. So we're not going to leave this to boil or anything, you know, guys. I'm going to just go some booms and lock off the stove right away. Yeah, we don't need no boiling on this. And then we just go some booms and put in with spice and with milk and all that. Yeah? So you want no, me go lock off the stove no. And proceed to mix my porridge. I'm gonna proceed to mix it now, guys. You see that? Look at this. Watch that. Ah, yeah, man. So boom, stove lock. So guys, I am going to mix my porridge now. So I'm putting in some vanilla. Yeah, chunks of vanilla. Dash in with nothing egg. As usual, you know, we can't leave that out. Yup. And I'm using Alaska vanilla to sweeten my porridge. Guys, if you want to use a tin milk, you can go ahead and do it. Also, you can mix out your Alaska before you put it in the porridge. But me now, if you watch my videos, then you don't know me to mix out my Alaska, you know. In no water. I just put it in the porridge. Yeah, porridge hot. I just put it in and just mix it out like that. Because guys, I don't want my porridge to be too watery. Yeah, so I don't want to mix it in any water. But you can go ahead and do that. Because if you're still like me, you have to try and so when you do it, you don't get any lump. Yeah, so this is how we do the thing, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, no lumps. I know you don't see your tips any salt, but you can go ahead and you chops a little salt. I mean, mix it to your liking, guys. You know, mix it to your likings. Yeah. So look at this now. You see that thickness, that gummy? Gumminess. A whole heap of gum in this. Yup. Yes, there you have it. My plantain porridge with oats and almond. Yeah, man, I'm going to dive into some of this, guys. So I don't use any salt and I also did not use any sugar. But mixing your porridge, you can go ahead and add those stuff to your likings. Mix it to your liking, guys. So I just show you how I do mine and my little way of doing my porridge. Yeah? Alright, I'm going to dive into some of this now. So remember to like, share, comment. Yeah, man, share the videos, guys. Share the videos and subscribe for more. Follow me for more recipe.